Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to share how to do deep work. Deep work in today's world is rare but really valuable skill. In today's video, I'm going to cover what is deep work, why deep work is so important, how I came across deep work and it changed my life drastically, and most importantly, how you can apply deep work into your life to achieve great height. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. What is deep work? A work that is done with intense focus, which requires a lot of mental effort and without any distraction is known as deep work. Example of deep work are a student studying with complete focus, or an artist engrossed in his work, or a programmer who is coding completely focused without any distraction in his program. And the second type of work is shallow work. The work that is not that intense and also don't require that much mental efforts and which can be done in distracted environment as well. For example, doing the office work while talking on the phone, replying to emails, or creating an PowerPoint presentation while listening to the music. In short, shallow work is kind of multitasking work. So simply putting, deep work is where a person is completely focused on one important task without any distraction. Many successful people are the devotees of the deep work. For example, Bill Gates, who celebrate Think Weeks twice a year, where he goes to his lakeside cottage away from all the distractions and all the people, where he just focus on his reading and brainstorming and also uh, thinks new ideas for his business. So if I will summarize deep work and shallow work, it is: deep work requires complete focus on single task. Deep work requires a lot of mental effort. It requires distraction free environment. This work is valuable and it is not easily replicable, and this deep work can't be replaced by artificial intelligence and robots. Whereas shallow work is the work where multitasking is being done. It doesn't require much mental effort, can be done in distracted environment. That work is not that valuable. It's easily replicable and in future will be easily replaced by artificial intelligence and robots. Now why deep work is important? In advancing technological world where learning skill is important, it's even more important learning it quickly, where deep work plays an important role. Deep work provides more value in the less time. If you want to learn any hard skill, you can do it by intense focusing, and in distraction free environment you will be able to learn it quickly. Deep work helps us to develop such a skill which are not easily replicable and which can't be replaced by artificial intelligence or robots. Before moving forward into the video, I would like to share my story, how deep work came into my life and changed it. While I was in my second year of college, my grades drastically dropped down, and the reason was distraction. I was completely distracted while studying. Whenever a notification or ping will come, I will instantly check my phone, and that was distracting me a lot. That's why I came by the philosophy of deep work by Cal Newport and started using those philosophy in my daily life. The first thing I did is cleaning my environment. So in my case, it was my room. I clean my room so that I don't get distracted by seeing the mess around in it. Second thing I did is decluttered my desk. I just kept my notes and the study material of the subject which I was going to study on that day, so that I don't get distracted with the other things that are on my desk. Third thing I did is meditation. So now my room and desk was decluttered. But what about my mind? So to keep my mind calm and focus, I started meditation for 10 to 15 minutes before starting my deep work. Fourth thing is no phone. I kept my phone into another room so that I don't get distracted by the notifications. Fifth thing I did is planned my day. I gave myself a clear goal that what subject I'm going to study on that day and how much hours of deep work I'm going to do. All this principle of deep work changed my life drastically, and my grades also improved a lot, and I was really happy. And now the most important thing is how you can also use the 4 rules given by Cal Newport in his book called Deep. Rule number 1 is work deeply. We live in the world full of distraction with constant email notification, pings, and background noise. Deep work is to focus completely on one task without any distraction. So the thing you can do for doing a deep work is you can pick a time and place where you are going to study or do your focused work. Start initially from just 1 hour and you can stretch it up to your limit. Rule number 2 is embrace boredom. You don't need to entertain yourself every second. In fact, constant scrolling is making your ability to focus really low, and that's why you're not able to work deep. Instead, what you can do is you can resist the urge for scrolling your phone every time and try to just sit with the boredom. Get familiar to it. Second thing you can do is you can go on the walk with focusing on your idea or a solution. No phone, no podcast, just walk with you and your thoughts. Rule number 3 is quit social media. Social media might feel harmless, but constant scrolling and comparing is making your energy drain, and which is really harmful for working you deep. So what you can do is ask yourself a question: if social media is allowing you to progress personally or professionally. If the answer is no, quit social media. Second thing you can do is try 30-day of break from social media, and if you're feeling better after quitting it, just don't go back. And third thing you can do is replace your habit. Whenever you feel like scrolling your mobile, you can read or journal or go for a walk. Rule number 4, drain the shallows. Spend your energy and attention wisely. If you will keep your best hours and attention for small or shallow tasks, you will not have much energy or attention left to doing some meaningful or deep work. So to tackle this problem, you can plan your day where you will do shallow work and deep work. Also, you can spend 2 to 3 hours every day doing some meaningful or deep work. And you can start from 1 hour and stretch it up to your limit slowly, and constantly don't check your phone because it is ruining your attention. And at last, key takeaways from the videos which you can include in your life as well are: start planning your day so that you are aware what amount of time you are spending in shallow and deep work. Second, clean your room and declutter your desk so that you can get distraction-free environment. Third, meditation plays an important role in keeping your mind calm and focused. Fourth, while doing deep work, keep your phone into another room. You can also set status message on your email as please expect delay in response. Fifth, you can set time blockers on your apps and try to use social media from browser. As it is not comfortable, you will not spend much time on it. Sixth, for achieving valuable skills, start doing deep work so that you will not be easily replaced by artificial intelligence or robots. And lastly, I want to say, if you have not achieved anything great until now, maybe because you are just doing shallow work. So start doing deep work now. And the goal is not to be perfect, but be intentional of spending your valuable time and energy. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will start doing deep work from today.